Hello students! This tutorial is going to show you how to access your Writing PM assessment for your language arts class. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Polk Schools homepage, which can be accessed at polkschoolsfl.com. From there, you're going to hover over the Students tab and you're going to find the link for ClassLink. You can go ahead and click on ClassLink. When you get to this page, if you look to the right-hand side in blue letters, you'll see Access ClassLink with a blue login button. You're going to go ahead and select that option. And then it's going to take you to the ClassLink login page. For example, my username might be Kayla M, followed by @mypolkschools.net. And then I would type in my school issued password. Once I'm sure everything is correct, I go ahead and click the sign in button. Once I log in, I'm brought to my ClassLink homepage where I see all of my app icons. For the Writing Progress Monitoring or Writing PM assessment, I'm going to find the app icon that says OLA. So it's the one with the P where it says Performance Matters, and then underneath it says the letters OLA. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that icon. Then it's going to bring me to this page. It will automatically be under Student Login. So all you have to do is click this big blue Login to Online Testing button. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button. Now it has automatically signed me into Performance Matters OLA so I can take my writing assessment. In this example, I'm pretending that I'm a 7th grader. So when I log in, I see under Available Test that I have one available test, and that's the LA Writing. That stands for Round 1, since this is the first writing test of the year. And it says Grade 7, which is correct because in this example, I'm pretending I'm a 7th grader. So I'm going to go ahead and click the blue Start button. When I get to this page, it's going to show me some different navigation icons. So it's going to show me the previous button, there's a pause button, a next button, and finally when I click the big green button, that means that I'm done with my test and I'm ready to submit. One of the most useful tools that you can use during the writing test is going to be the highlight option. So as you're reading through your sources, feel free to highlight sentences or information that you may want to include in your essay. If you decide you highlighted something you didn't want to highlight, you can click this button, which will clear the highlighting. So once I've reviewed the navigation and the tools and notification symbols, I can go ahead and hit the next button. Then it brings up the whole test, and when I look on the left-hand side of the screen, I notice that I see all my sources. So for example, I see source 1, and I can go ahead and scroll and read source 1. Then I see it tells me source 2, so I can go ahead and read source 2. Then I get down to source 3. Some of the assessments will have 3 sources, some may have 4. In this case, there are only 3 sources. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up. So here is the prompt for the essay, followed by the directions. Now when I'm ready to type my essay, I will go ahead and type it into this text box. Now some of you may notice that it says question 1 of 3. Your entire essay is in this first question. Question 2 and 3 are for scoring purposes, so that's where the teachers will go in and type feedback and actually score your essay. So don't be tricked by 2 and 3. You don't have to do anything with 2 or 3. You only have to stay on question 1. This is where you will type your essay. Your teacher is going to ask you to work on this assessment over 2 class periods. So at the end of the first day, the end of that first class period, maybe you're halfway through your essay, you're not quite done, you'll go ahead down here and you'll hit the pause button. You're not going to want to submit your test because once you submit, that's you telling your teacher, I'm all done. So since I'm not done, we've only finished day 1 and I know tomorrow I get to come back and keep working, I'm going to go ahead and hit pause. So now my test is paused. So tomorrow when I come back to class and I log back in through ClassLink and I open OLA, I just reselect this essay and I hit the word continue in blue. It's going to show me the directions again. I hit next. And we can see that my essay is where I left off. So I can continue typing. Once I have gone through and I've read all my sources, I've planned my essay, and I've typed my essay out, once I'm sure that I'm all done, I'll then go up to this green button and I'll click Submit Test. If you have any other questions on how to access OLA or any questions about your writing progress monitoring assessment, please be sure to reach out to your language arts teacher for more assistance.